Jupiter, the largest gas giant in our solar system, does not have traditional rings like Saturn, but it does have a faint and thin ring system. Here are some facts about Jupiter's ring system. 1. Faint rings. Jupiter's ring system consists of 4 main components: the gossamer rings, the main ring, the halo ring, and the 2 innermost rings, Amalthea and Phoebe. 2. Gossamer rings. The gossamer rings are the outermost and most tenuous part of Jupiter's ring system. They are composed of tiny dust particles and extend for a significant distance. 3. Main ring. The main ring is the brightest and most substantial part of Jupiter's ring system. It is made up of small rock and ice particles. 4. Halo ring. The halo ring is a relatively faint, torus-shaped ring that surrounds Jupiter's equator. It is mainly composed of small dust-sized particles. 5. Origin. Jupiter's rings are thought to be primarily formed from material ejected by its small moon, Adrastea, due to meteoroid impacts on the moon's surface. 6. Visibility. Jupiter's rings are quite challenging to see from Earth, and their discovery was made possible through spacecraft missions like Voyager and Galileo. 7. Dynamic system. Jupiter's ring system is dynamic, and particles are constantly being added and lost due to various processes, including meteoroid impacts and gravitational interactions with Jupiter's moons. 8. Study and exploration. Scientists continue to study Jupiter's ring system to better understand its composition, dynamics, and origins. Future missions to Jupiter, like the upcoming NASA mission called Europa Clipper, may provide more insights into these rings. Jupiter's ring system is relatively subtle compared to Saturn's iconic rings, but it adds to the complexity and beauty of this gas giant planet.